Hello, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to open or access our website and the accounts and files to be used while teaching IELTS. So this is the website, singapore.itozu.com. So let's open. Okay, so this is the website. Let's log in. I'll be using the test account logins. And I will answer this. 7 minus 5 is 2. Log in. Okay, and this is what you could see at first. Okay, now how to access the classes. Just click on teachings schedule over here on the side of your page. Okay, and normally this is where you could see your book classes. Now, since there's none, let's look for. I'll go July, I guess. Okay, 14. Okay, so we got here. So let's say this is your book class. So this is your ET class. Okay, so remember the time, that's 14. That would be 2 p.m. The date would be Tuesday, which is July 15. So how to access? You just have to click this student. Click the name, redirect to class detail, and this is the details. So the time, okay, trial, okay. Now we go here to the teaching plan. This is where you would access, or you could access the teaching page. So click on teaching plan, redirect to teaching page. Okay. Now this is the teaching page. Okay, so make sure when you actually, okay, normally the classes will be highlighted by red. So this is where you could tell that it is your class, but make sure you have to, okay, make sure that it's the right time, okay, and class. Okay, anyway, going back. Okay, so how to access? Click on BSR if it is an ET class, normally, if it, and teaching page if it is a normal class. But let's say, since this is not the right date, so it's okay, not redirecting. So I'll be using or copy the profile name. Okay, now we'll go here. So this is the warm up section. So warm up. Okay, use your ice breaking scripts over here. Okay, introduction, get to know, normally for around 4 or 5 minutes over here. Okay, normally four is okay already. So 4 to 5 minutes, but it's fine. Okay, make sure you ask the okay the target score of the student, and if the student have taken the exam before, ask them, okay, what is their score last exam. And also, of course, very important, as when they're going to take the exam. That's very important. Okay. Now follow the flow. Okay. You got some, okay, you have an IELTS quick guide over here. It will be given to you also how to access. Okay. Ask TM to send you the file. Okay, so this is the ET description or the quick guide. So first step is to warm up 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, follow the warm up. This is where you already have to, okay, including, where are we? The IELTS introduction. Okay, make sure to review what's gonna be the format of the exam. Okay, then that's within, okay, this one warm up, and this is like one, it's one process according to the this one, section one. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, now section two is already the full mock test. It's 11 to 5, 14 minutes. Part one, two. Okay, part three. Okay, and this is the full mock test. So if you want to have a copy later also, if you wanted to send this to your student for part two preparation, just copy this. You can copy them, highlight, copy and paste to your notes. Okay, now going back, that's 11 to 14 minutes. Now scoring, where to add scoring. Normally when you do scoring, that's gonna be here. When you do part two, there's 1 minute for the student to prepare for their answer. So for that 1 minute, go to scoring and score your students already. Okay, beforehand, so that later on modify them if there's something you needed to modify. Now, to see how to score them properly, make sure you open this explanation, show explanation, so you would know how to how to score them properly. Or we also have a guideline, PDF file too. This is a speaking band score descriptors. Okay. So from level 0 to 9, but normally we use 5 to 8 if possible. Okay. So as TM, she also has a copy of this. Okay. And what else? Okay. Follow. 1 minute is gone. Go back to mock test. Go with part two and part three. After that, okay, we go to guide again. Section 3, answer correction. That would be for 20 or 25 minutes long. So focus on their weak part. So it's either part 1, part 2, or part 3. Okay, now after 20 to 25 minutes, band score. Okay, anyway, going back, let's see. Okay, how to do answer correction over here. Click on answer correction. Okay, then click on teaching material if you're going to teach the answer correction already. Why you have to click? Because this is where you could access the teaching material. Okay, so let's say this is part 1. Okay, introduce the PREC for part 1 and 3 and IMF for part 2. Okay, go back again, click the menu. Okay, now you're done with answer correction. Go with the band score. Okay, give your feedback and stuff. This is for normally 5 minutes. You can have a timer, okay, to do that. And then lastly, course plan. That's within 3 minutes too. Okay, follow. Okay, and then homework. Okay, then click complete. Okay, that's it. Okay, for the website, how to log in and how to open the website, we also have actually a file for that. Okay, it's called System Operation Guide. So as TM, she has the copy of this. There are pictures that you can easily follow to how to access. Although how actually this is the last website, but it's not really not much of difference, just the security that's difference. Okay, like this. Okay. So the information explain how the test works. Okay. This is the guide. You can check this. What to say. Okay. And that's it, I guess. Thank you.